Hello, my name is Tommy. I'm the International Marketing Manager of VYT. Today I will show you one of our making membrane press, which is the BSF V series. So this machine is designed for solid surface thermoforming. It can be using for different solid surface like Corian, like Xihuan, and also IMAX. This machine is combined from two different parts. The bottom part, it is a dual platen type heat oven, and which is using for preheating the solid surface heat. And the top part is a vacuum press system. So this is a frame with silicone membrane, and we use a 3mm thickness silicone membrane. And this frame is vertical up and down system. So it has an air cylinder, and it can be used for female and male mode as well. So you can use it to make the washing basin. So this machine is controlled by PLC system. So everything you can control by this touching screen. So I will show you how to control this frame. So I will make it go down. And you can stop on the halfway. And you can make it go up. And also I will show you how to open the heat oven. So I will open the heat oven. Okay, and I close it. So later our engineer will show you how to make the solid surface thermoforming.